What prompted me to come into engineering is because of the love I have for the aircraft, to be specific, aviation. I've always loved to do a course that has a relation with aviation. I joined Proflight in 2014 then as an intern, and then I was taken on for employment as maintenance planning officer. That was in 2015 November. The experience has been very good. I've learned so much. It's true, engineering, to say specifically aviation, it's dominated by men, but for like at Proflight, we're given that opportunity, that equality opportunity, whereby they don't just look at the male folk. Even us, the female, are being encouraged so much to like take up such opportunities and such duties. I've developed love and passion for this career, especially planning. I've come to love it so much, to say it has become part of me. Like every day, I'm always looking forward to coming here to make sure that everything is in order and I'm contributing positively to the growth of this company. I feel what a male folk can do, also a woman can do. So we really need to have a lot of women colleagues. We are looking forward to see a lot of women coming into engineering.